All right, everybody, buckle up because we're diving straight into another wild day inside the courtroom. I'm breaking down every move, every reaction, and every decision the judge makes so you can see exactly how justice plays out in real time. Let's get into it.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
She's a great chief.
255-1178. Yeah, we're doing well,
But
for sure.
keep you in mind.
I,
I'm right. I'm here, Chief. Mr. Boris?
Burris,
Yes.
was a $16,000 check negotiated? Did he get that?
60,000?
16,000. Read it. It's a 2B, and I'm curious because they only filed a misdemeanor, and I'm curious to see if something else has come from it. Are they going to? What happened? Joe.
Oh, Judge, we have a plea.
Okay.
We have the interpreter, Judge. It's on Jose Mendoza.
Okay. Oh, wait, Joe, we need his thumbprint and stuff, but you have one too, right?
Yes, Judge.
Let's do yours and then Joe,
Yes,
you can bring your guy to get everything ready and we'll do you next.
Okay. He's coming up, Judge. Yeah, Mendoza.
Hi, Blessa. How are you?
Buenos días. Escucha el juez. No one.
For Mr. Mendez Grimaldo,
Yes.
you were charged with driving while intoxicated. You were facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You guys have worked out an agreement. They're offering you 3 days in jail with credit for the 1 day that you have done. You are pleading guilty to this offense and it is going on your record. It will be there for the rest of your life. This is important because if you ever get pulled over again, an officer will see this. If they come to your car and they smell alcohol on you, it's probably not going to go well for you. What we're doing today, the proverbial slap on the wrist, from now on, you are facing a minimum of 30 days in jail. And if you're not in this country with permission, you do that kind of time, I can almost guarantee that you will get an immigration detainer. So play it smart. If I were you, I wouldn't even get into a car and drive if you've had a sip of alcohol because it is a huge risk. Do you understand?
Yes.
You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. So once you plead guilty, this will go on your record. It will be there for the rest of your life. You still want to do this?
Yes.
How do you plead to the offense of driving while intoxicated? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
I will find you guilty. I'm going to sentence you to the agreement. I am now going to suspend your license for 90 days. Do not get into a car and drive because if you do, you get pulled over, you will go to jail. Good luck to you, sir. Please see the clerk.
Thank you,
Joe.
Judge. Yes, we have Mr. Mendoza.
Okay.
FSGI, Judge. She's doing a time serve.
Or Alfredo Mendoza. Mr. Mendoza, you're charged with failure to stop and give information. This is a Class B misdemeanor. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You guys have worked out an agreement. They're offering you 3 days in jail with credit for the 2 days that you've done. You need to understand that this charge will go on your record. It's going to be there for the rest of your life. The proverbial slap on the wrist that we are doing today. Look at me. The proverbial slap on the wrist. From now on, you are facing a minimum of 30 days in jail. So this, no more. And if you're not in this country with permission, and you do any more than 4 to 6 hours, you will probably get an immigration detainer. Do you understand?
Yes.
If you do not have a license and liability insurance, do not drive. You're giving up the right to a trial. right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty to this offense, you can never change this. Is this what you want to do?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
How do you plead to the offense, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
I'm going to find you guilty, sentence you to the agreement. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Thanks, Joe. Hey. Yeah, of course. Good morning.
We're talking Mr. McCormick, he's in boss.
Okay.
News application, just got 22.
Yeah, just we'll leave him with you. He just let him know, no going to Lowe's, no picking up new cases. Otherwise, he'll stay
We
with
got
you.
that class dismissed, so we're gonna go.
He's all with you. Okay, thanks. Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'll go over that.
Joe, is that what you want?
Yes, sir, please.
And post their bond for 1 month. They wouldn't be transferred to the other county, right? They could just be released and they would just have to go through whatever. It's American bond. Where it's required, right? But they wouldn't, even if they switched our bond.
Good morning, Judge. We are here on Charles Black.
Okay.
Judge, he is wanted, I forgot what one it was. He's wanted, Georgia. He's wanted out of Georgia, Judge. He's asking for a bond. He is stating that currently he is having cancer treatments at Memorial Hermann and that he would like an opportunity to go handle these cases within the 2 weeks, as well as continue his cancer treatments.
What's he want it for? And what, are you opposed or unopposed?
We're opposed based on the reasons. Did you want to bring him out?
Yeah. Do you mind bringing him up? Sure. Who's next, Ramona?
Judge, did Michael Pham approach you on time? He left.
Who left?
Mr. Pham.
Is Mr. Ghani here?
Yes.
How was your trip here in campus?
Well, Ghani? Team.
Is he planning to drive in? Is he planning to drive in?
I mean, if he's not here, I'm revoking it at 5,001.
Because his driver.
Who's next?
Let's see. Yeah.
Oh, Godfrey, did you get that one?
Yeah.
Okay. What about Jacobo?
No, Judge, there's a hold.
What do you mean there's a hold? What is it? Is he here?
Yeah.
Okay, so 5,002 on both cases then. Can you take Kelly Benavides off, please? I'm still showing her attached on Jacobo. Jacobo, page 15.
Mama lives there.
All right.
5,002, you said?
Black, Charles Black.
Please. Good morning, Mr. Black.
Morning.
So your lawyer is asking me to set you a bond. I don't know. You know, I've never met you before. I have to get to know you in a very, very short time. I need to know several things before we set you a bond. You know, you are an inherent flight risk because you're wanted out of another state for some charge I have no idea for. So we're going to get to know you to see whether we should set you a bond or not. I don't know at this point. So Amy, tell us about Mr. Black.
Your Honor, he's wanted out of Rockdale County, Georgia for possessing, displaying false ID with government logo or seal for criminal act, and also a theft by taking of a motor vehicle. State's opposed to a bond at this time. We also see that he has a bond forfeiture in Harris County, and then he also has an open warrant in Kansas for a failure to appear. Furthermore,
Did you know that?
She just told me when we were waiting on him to come out.
we have concerns about how he would even get back, considering his driver license was denied renewal in 2021 due to a failure to appear and driver.
Oh, but I mean, there are other ways, right? But the more concerning fact is that he's got an open warrant in a different state as well. What is that for? And how long has that been open?
We're only seeing for failure to appear. I saw earlier it was from 2017. So he's
It's
been
been
out.
open since 2017.
Correct.
I've never even been there.
I'm just telling you what they're saying. They're saying that you have also an open warrant from Kansas from 2017. I can't possibly give you a bond when you're wanted at two different states, one for, that's 6 years ago, man. You know, have Kansas not put a hold on him?
Not that I know of at this time. I can reach out to our central records to find out.
That would be good. You know, I would like to know whether they're going to put a hold on him, you know? Has he waived yet? Do you know?
He has.
Okay, when did he waive?
That's correct.
Do you know what he's wanted out of Kansas for?
Not at this time. Dave was the one who told me.
So let's do this, because the cases that you're wanted out of Georgia, they're not the most egregious. You know, it's a suspended license and then a theft case. It's not the most egregious. My more concerning issue is that you're wanted out of a different state as well. So let's do this. What we can do, let's roll this to tomorrow. Can you, Amy, in the interim, if you can figure out, number one, is Kansas going to put a hold on him? Number two, what's he wanted for? If it's some kind of rinky-dink speeding, then I'm not worried about it. But if it's something serious, then I have issues, especially being that it's 6 years old. So let's do this. You know, it's a no at this point, pending what's going on in Kansas. So let's see what happens there. And then, you know, we can bring him back tomorrow and figure out. And I just need more information to be able to make an informed decision at this point. Okay? Do you have any questions?
Pretty much. I know somebody has been using my identity for the past couple of years because I was in Georgia, but.
And it's probably a good idea for you to do something about it and not just, you know.
I reported my identity stolen and I put out a theft report for it.
I don't know what to tell you, but before I set you a bond in, you got to understand, I can't just take your word for it, right? Right. I have a lot of people that try to sell me the sun, moon, stars, tell me it's little bunnies jumping in the woods, what their cases are all about, when really. So let's figure out more information. We can bring you back tomorrow and see. Okay?
Thank you.
Okay, thanks, Shabbat.
And I also have waivers for Elijah Clark and Alana Gonzalez, who had originally sent her a bond, I believe it was like last week. Mother decided that they did not want to put it up.
Really?
So,
Oh, man, that sucks.
so we have her waiver. And
I'll just sign it. We'll begin. Thanks. Is Gonzalez on the docket today?
yes,
Set the bond at
$1,500.
Hello,
I
one.
don't want to make it.
I think, no. So when they were going to the bonding companies, they kept saying that even if they did it, that she would still wanted, they were giving her a hard time. So I suggested that they go put the full amount up at 49 cents a cento. She told me that they were gonna do that, and then she called me, whatever day I sent the email the day before yesterday, indicated that they weren't able to do that, or they didn't want to do that, or whatever the case may be. So she's really just been
I
sitting there.
mean, it's a lot of money, you know, and
Because I explained it very clearly the first time I called Judge. It's unfortunate that she had to sit for a week. She could have been gone to Louisiana by now, I
Right.
believe.
Yeah.
But they assured me that they would before I signed the document that day.
okay, guys, thanks.
Yeah.
Thanks.
I got this other one. I didn't.
So we're on page 20.
And this is going to be like.
5,002.
On the graphic. Morning, Judge. May I approach?
Yeah, of course. Coming up.
May I bring up my client, Judge?
What are we doing?
So on his harassment case that's getting dismissed today,
Okay,
there was that subsequently filed criminal initiative case that's gonna be set. I'm waiting for discovery on that one. We're asking, the part of the conditions of the harassment case for the monitoring. You have stated previously that if he got a job, that he would consider taking the monitoring on. He hasn't become employed. Also, he's done a whole plethora of things to get to dismissal. He's took the anger management class. He took the 16-week, I'm sorry.
BIP?
Not the BIP, the other, forget the name of the class, the long 16-week class.
Thinking for a change?
Thinking for a change, yes. And then it's also completed, like I said, the anger management class.
So Deanna, is he the complaining witness in the mischief? It's the same as the complaining witness in the harassment, right?
Well, technically, no, Judge. He went to go find the complaining witness, the girl, but destroyed the grandpa's car.
Allegedly.
Oh, okay, allegedly.
And destroy is a big term, Judge. So I don't,
Mischiefed the grandpa's car.
What is your position to them to taking
I
on?
just want to look at the surveillance because it looks like it was a June case that was filed in December. And it wasn't, the person that put in the PTI offer before didn't include this one, which I probably would have included just to get both of them dismissed.
So when was the offer made, prior to the new case or before
Yes,
this?
Judge, it was prior to the new.
That's
case.
why.
Yes, so. but it
Most
wasn't-
people remove a PTI offer when you pick up a new case,
yes.
right? You don't get the benefit of the bargain when you continue to act like
Yeah.
a knucklehead.
And we approached, and the problem was, and you were a little upset that day, was that was preceding the harassment incident by 2 months,
Oh.
3 months.
So the
So-
open state,
I see. So that's weird. But
I-
nevertheless, if it's not filed, then they're not going to know about it
Right.
to include it into the PTI offer. I see. So now that's why.
so I
Okay.
just want to make sure that something was taken care of because the restitution I have from when when Alex spoke to him was December 18 was $4,000,
Wow, that's high.
which is why I want to be able to reach back out to him and be like,
And
if there's maybe a.
before I want to remove the device, I want to know that there have been no issues as well. So
And the last time we were here, I spoke to you, Judge, and also Attorney Harmer, that the issues are coming from, there are issues, but they're all coming from the CW. I've provided video evidence and text message proof that she has been constantly trying to contact him and harass him, even through all this stuff.
still, or has it stopped?
I haven't, since December, it was still since December. I don't know what's happened between, January and today, but during December, from September to December, there were multiple attempts to text him, multiple attempts of calling him from different numbers.
So let's do this. Would you mind reaching out to the complaining witnesses, both?
Yes, Judge.
Her
And the grandfather.
and the grandfather, see if there have been any issues. If there are, ask for proof. Don't just take their word for it. Say, yes, if she's like, yes, he's been contacting me, ad nauseum, this and this. Okay, show me. Take a screenshot of whatever you're saying that has happened, because there's documentary evidence and everything today now, right? Whenever you get a call, you can pull the call log. So, and that if they say, well, I don't have it, then we take it with a grain of salt.
Yes, sir.
I'm willing to. I want to make sure that there have been no issues. If there have been no issues, then I'll take it off.
Okay.
So what we can do, if you want to, now it's 11:45. If you want to roll it to tomorrow, and I can waive his appearance so he doesn't have to come back,
Yes, we can do that.
right? And then assuming they still have no issues, I'll waive the signature so he doesn't have to come back and we can remove it.
Okay.
But I want to make sure that no issues have been occurring before I take it off. And then if so, then we're good. And then are you in the same instance, get the restitution amount,
Yes, Judge.
get proof,
Mhm.
right? Because if they're saying it's $4,000 and you're talking just in this, wasn't it just a rear view mirror if I'm not?
What it sounds like, yes.
Yeah.
4,000, what is he driving? A Lamborghini Urus?
Yes,
Really?
Judge. We'll reach back out and see if we can get that proof for restitution.
Correct. And I'm happy to do whatever day you want to do. If you want to do tomorrow, if you want to do 3 days, a week, whatever you want to do, and then we can waive his appearance so you didn't have to
That'd
waste
be
his
great.
time.
I'm down here tomorrow. So,
Okay. Let's hope they're able to do both by tomorrow. I don't know.
okay.
We'll see. You got, Mirela is 5,002.
Yeah.
Well, it's either be reaching out.
Mhm.
Just forward me whatever you said.
Email? So it's got all this stuff in there.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, it's not attached on anything. I can just double check. So there's nothing there. Let me send it to you.
First was Mike.
Oh, well, he's long gone.
Yeah. It was,
Morgan, the previous.
Oh, well, also long.
Also,
Okay.
she's in DVD now, yeah.
Well, they're different long guns.
Yeah.
Thank you, Judge.
Absolutely. Take care.
Judge Marks has been named.
Um, on Jacobo, you got both at 5,002? Okay, let me just do bail orders on those real quick and then because I didn't do it, I forgot.
They reach out to the witness.
Sign it out.
Oh, wait, Judge, the real witness, Edinburgh was
Okay.
allegedly being assaulted.
Right. Yeah, hi, Michael. How are you, man?
I'm here, Mr. Quail Gani, Your Honor, G-H-A-N-S. State still needs to rip the CW. We're set for plea.
Yeah, I mean, we're supposed to get this done today. It's 200 days old. Is he here?
He's here, Your Honor.
Thanks.
So Judge, there is two offers. There's a 30-day and the DWI can defer, not defer, probation. Council's asking for a DWI first reduction. My chief said no. So the only thing missing is the wheel witness, and there's allegedly a person getting assaulted.
Yeah.
Which is why the person called for the DWI. So it was an assault that ended up being a DWI, and they haven't contacted that person either. So I was told by my chief to make sure to do that first if we
So,
want.
but I'll set it for a week. It's 200 days old. But let's set it for a week. We'll have your come back in a week. We got to take care of it that day. All right? Okay. All right, who's next? Let's get out of here.
Judge, need to get Spark.
No, Sparks? Okay. 2501.
I don't think, I don't know, I don't think the person being
Judge,
assaulted was on there.
For
I think she was MIA.
Attorney
Okay.
Whitney Moore, yesterday she approached on Rockville Williams about the no driving, removing the no driving, but we were waiting for her to provide proof of the insurance. I was wondering, she said she was gonna send it to the court, so I was wondering if you
I
all
haven't gotten
received
any.
anything over it, because I haven't heard that been.
Nope.
Nothing so far, okay. I'll keep it on hold for now.
Okay, who's next?
What are we gonna do with Tom?
What's it now? Come up, Mr. Thomas. It's 5,001.
Hey, Thomas.
Needs to be tested in 45 to 50 days again. You will get tested again in 45 to 50 days. If you test positive again, you know what's going to happen, right? Okay. I'll have you sign a reset and we'll get you out of here. No more, Mr. Thomas.
Yeah, officer, they go this way, but it's tomorrow morning, it's on Wednesday time. Okay. Yeah, I was like in the park.
I think that's it. You have, it's your going. Do you have anyone else in back? Everyone's gone? Nice. Okay. What is your name? Last name? Apellido? Sura. Yeah. We'll have him, at your going, we'll have him come up and sign a reset. We haven't talked to,
Judge, I will see you tomorrow.
Yeah,
I'm
have fun.
taking my sister to lunch. She just landed from Miami, so.
Nice.
I'm gonna go get her.
Have fun.
Thank you.
Take the day off. Who's the other guy?
Another one's,
I will go page 3.
I don't, okay, I guess we'll wait to see if the lawyers show up. If not, we'll,
Rita,
yeah, it's gonna be,
I just sent an email to Michael Slatter to the office, so I don't know where we.
the other one is Reyes.
Yeah.
He's usually pretty good about showing up. Both of them are. I guess if you want to wait maybe like half an hour.
Yeah.
Judge, how did you come to do felony docket? Like, was Court 5 always been that, and when you took?
You mean the fugitive docket?
Yeah.
Yeah, when we were elected in 18, we basically divvied up who does what. Some people have sober court, some people have veterans court. We chose to do the fugitive docket as opposed to.
Okay, so you kind of like just, it could move to another court in the
Sure.
future. It's not like assigned to just.
Yeah,
Court
it
5
used to
court.
before I was elected, it used to be with Judge, what was his name? In Court 10, Ross. And Ross handled it for like 20-something years. And then I took it. Ross went off the bench, retired, and then I went to Spute. Spute took it for a while. And then
That's too bad.
Spute lost the election in 18,
So Allen
or
County
16 or whatever it
automatically
was, and then I
comes
took
with
it. Huh?
Allen County automatically comes with fugitive as well.
Correct, right. We also get all the out-of-county cases, fugitive cases, out of states, so anything outside we get.
Okay.
So, and it doesn't add too much to the docket,
Who has
It's-
a veterans court?
Hmm?
Who has veterans court?
It was Judge Hughes, who now has left, and then I want to say Judge Baldwin. I think it may be Judge Baldwin, but I'm not too sure.
I was always curious on like how that came to be, like how it's.
Yeah, usually it's someone who has veteran experience, who's been in one of the arms of the service. They usually, are the ones who would take it.
Bring your computer.
Okay.
Ramon, is there anything else?
No.
Okay, I think we're done. We'll wait just to see if those two lawyers come. Guys, we're done.
Thank you, Judge.
Perfect time. Thank you.
Yeah.
And that wraps up this hearing. If you're into real courtroom moments, smart legal breakdowns, and raw reactions, make sure you tap like and subscribe. I've got plenty more coming. Stay sharp, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.